no.
That was the greeting that our Phil Archer received back in May when he paid a visit to a woman accused of illegally squatting on somebody else's property. It wouldn't be the last time that Phil and that woman, Denise Eckford, ran into each other. You see, Phil caught up with her again in court. He wanted to ask about half a dozen other properties that she's accused of trying to take over. Well, tonight, Phil is revealing the trail of documents that he's uncovered and what happened when he and Miss Eckford met for the second time.
Denise Eckford deals in real estate, other people's real estate.
Ms. Eckford, I wonder if we could talk to you just a minute. Would you mind?
I have no comment.
Could you tell me?
I have no comment for you.
Could you tell me how many vacant homes you've
I have
moved
no
into in the
comment
last
for
few
you.
months? Why not? Why can't we talk about this?
We first met Eckford last May while checking a report that squatters had taken over a vacant building on Griggs Road.
Whoa! No.
You trespass!
Wait.
That was Eckford. She and her boyfriend, Daryl Griffin, moved into the building in March, according to neighbors, claiming they were turning it into a restaurant. That was news to the building's owner, Dr. Cannon Harris.
I'm paying all these taxes, I'm paying the note on this property, and someone come and tell me that they own this property now, and they moved in my building while I'm paying all the bills.
But Eckford and Griffin didn't stay long after that. The next day, they allegedly roughed up a neighbor.
I was actually assaulted by both of them. The lady tried to back over me with her car.
Both were charged with assault. Griffin was on parole for murder at the time, but Eckford is free on bond. And it turns out the house on Griggs Road isn't the first one she's simply taken over and claimed as her own. Last December, she moved into this house after the former owners, Joanne and Oscar Gutierrez, both passed away.
She told me she had bought the house. She produced some papers that she had, and I think the paper said on that day that it was given to her by the Gutierrez.
Eckford filed an affidavit of heirship, claiming she was personal friends with the former owners and that Gutierrez left no heirs. Neither claim was true. And a resident who asked not to be identified says Eckford and the people who stayed with her ransacked the property and even threatened neighbors.
The property has been left in disarray, trash has piled up in the backyard. It's been a nightmare for the neighborhood.
Still, Denise Eckford won't go wanting for a place to stay because she has at least a half a dozen other vacant homes to choose from.
In each case, Eckford claimed ownership of the properties by filing what's called an affidavit of adverse possession. It's a legal means to allow individuals to claim abandoned property. But attorney Hamish Gandhi says the law was never meant to allow anyone to simply seize vacant property.
That's a clear trespass, and what they're trying to do is interrupt that process and find some way of taking advantage of the fact that that house is not for use in that short period of time. And they're starting that process by filing these affidavits that typically will cause a title issue to pop up.
We found that Denise Eckford had filed a total of 8 affidavits for 8 separate homes or businesses in Harris County. Those include the 2 properties she's been kicked out of. 1 she agreed to leave, and 5 others she still claims as her property. But she's not talking about it.
You filed 8 affidavits of adverse possession, is that correct? Yes or no? Can you tell me?
Who knows? Maybe Denise Eckford is coming to your neighborhood. Phil Archer, Channel 2 News.